Hi everyone, good morning. I just have to do this because I have to take my time. Yeah, I have to take my time. Fine. It's been a sad moment, obviously, because we were supposed to be at a dinner together last night and we got this sad news. But what I don't understand is, why are people so quick to post? If you claim you love this person, you are so much in pain, why are people so quick to post bad news, sad news?
èèyàn wa òṣèrékùnrin yìí tí a mọ̀ sí ALESH SANNI ó ti jáde ó ti wá blast gbogbo àwọn kọ̀lẹ́gì rẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí ALWELL ADEMOLA ó ti jáde láti wá blast gbogbo àwọn kọ̀lẹ́gì rẹ̀ ó ní kí ni ìdí tí ó fi jẹ́ wípé ìròyìn ìbànújẹ́ ni àwọn kọ̀lẹ́gì àwọn wọn máa ń tètè yára láti post rẹ̀ sórí social media wọn ó ní kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ní kí ni ìdí ó ní kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o arákùnrin ọ̀hún ó ké gbàjarè síta ó ní tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dè ní arábìnrin ọ̀hún ṣe báyìí wípé wọn ò ní tètè wàá post rẹ̀ sí orí ayélujára wọn. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí tí ó sọ nìyí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ.
Kí ló ta ní àbòsí olórí burúkú báyìí náà? Okun sunkún ara wọn ni akáṣọlérí sunkún ara wa bá lọ ṣe ń pòwe. But this is disturbing. This is disheartening because I'm like, person go do birthday, you know, no go post her rich like this. So she was a producer. You people won't repost any of her movies. So why are you posting now? Can't you people calm down? In your cocoa to 30 minutes, bua. Why? I think we can do better. I think we can do better because if this thing pay you, when we say say okay, this person is like she's my person, you won't post. She's someone that I don't post any of her movies. I don't celebrate her birthday. Fine, hi sis, hi bro. That is it. Hey, I'm in so much pain. No, you shouldn't have. I'm not saying you shouldn't grieve or something, but this is just too much. I couldn't sleep, obviously, because anything on Shiba Soro, just you are so much in pain. Why are people so quick to post bad news, sad news? Kí ló ta ní àbòsí olórí burúkú báyìí náà? Okun sunkún ara wọn ni akáṣọlérí sunkún ara wa bá lọ ṣe ń pòwe. But this is